Alright, welcome back. Something a little different. We're going to be going over the mathematical operators over these next couple videos. In Java, there are 5 mathematical operators, and we're going to be going over the first 3. And the first 3 are the addition operator, the subtraction operator, and the multiplication operator. And these are pretty straightforward, so I already have a program kind of built up. We have x equals 3, y equals 5, and then we have z is going to equal x plus y, as we are utilizing the addition operator. That's right. This is the first operator. We use it a couple times. Let's go ahead and say z equals, and we say z. Alright, z is equal to 8. As expected, it adds the 2 together. Subtraction, same thing. Just like you learned in math class, it'll subtract y from x. It should result in -2. And there it is. Z is equal to -2. And finally, the multiplication operator. Yeah, use the key above the 8. It's the star. On a standard keyboard, that is. It would be the key above the 8. Go ahead and run it. And 3 times 5 is 15, and it outputs 15. So those are the first 3 mathematical operators. Those are how you would multiply. And yes, these programs will use the order of operations, according to with parentheses. Can't go over exponents yet, but there's a way to do that in a different video. But keeping things simple for this video series, just keeping things simple, this is how you would use the mathematical operators. Alright, there is a reason why we're saving division and the mod operator for its own video, because those are going to require a little bit more explanation, because there are some things that happen that you do need to know. And I can't wait to get started on the next video.